it wasn't about you.
Okay.
Obviously. Did you see a guy in black pants with a black shirt on, by any chance, walking around? How long have you been here?
I've only been here about maybe 15 minutes or so.
15 minutes, okay. Do you have your concealed carry or anything like that?
Do I need one?
Oh, I don't know.
Oklahoma's constitutional carry, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. But do you are you carrying right now?
Yes, ma'am.
You are? Okay.
4 o'clock on my right hip.
Okay. Well, somebody said that they saw a gun, and we have to come and check it out if that.
I mean, it's...
You're good. Just don't reach for me, man. You're good. Oh, okay. And
Shirt doesn't quite go down low enough,
fine,
but other than that...
Man, you're fine. I just have to follow up on my calls.
You're good.
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Blaze Media. Please take a moment and head over their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on May 13th, 2020 in Ada, Oklahoma. The man in the video was sitting in his car when he was approached by a police officer of the Ada Police Department. The officer starts the interaction by stating she is not there about him, but somebody else, but then proceeds to start asking probing questions of the man concerning why he is there and if he is carrying a gun. This is a perfect example of why you should never answer any questions from a police officer. Now, let's dive right into today's video and see how this plays out.
So in other words, they said black pants and a gun, so you'll have to come check it out.
And I was like, well, he's the closest, but I didn't know if it was you or not because you're not wearing pants. So
yeah, it must have been me. There's a white car that keeps speeding in and out. I'm guessing it was them.
probably.
So
You got your ID on you by any chance? I have to tell dispatcher I'm
have
not
I
with.
committed a crime?
Well, I have to do my investigation, man, and I have to tell dispatcher I'm not with them.
Yeah, but under Oklahoma law, I don't have to ID unless you suspect me of committing a crime.
Okay. Who are you?
Huh?
Who are you?
I'd rather not identify. I haven't committed a crime and I don't want to be on a report.
Huh?
Not trying to be rude.
So you can't conceal though, correct?
Yes, sir.
You have a concealed permit?
I don't need one. Oklahoma's constitutional carry, sir.
Open carry.
Huh?
Open carry.
Constitutional carry means open or concealed, sir.
Okay. So you're not going to identify yourself?
I haven't committed a crime.
Run us tag. Why are you getting kind of shaky? What's going on?
Because I have two armed individuals that are kind of giving me a hard time when I haven't committed a crime.
Right? I'm not shaking.
I haven't committed a crime though, sir.
We had an off-duty officer said they seen you brandishing your weapon to people.
I haven't brandished my weapon at all, sir.
Someone called and said you have.
I've been here maybe 15 minutes.
That's why we're here.
I think you're making that up.
No, I'm not.
Okay, cool.
How will we know that you had a gun on you?
Well, I'll be filing a complaint and I will get a copy of the report. How about that?
That's fine. It doesn't bother me at all.
Okay.
I haven't done anything wrong.
Neither have I. But yet you're sitting here treating me like I have.
I said an off-duty officer said he saw you showing your
Oh, that's
weapon.
cool. I understand.
Okay.
Guilty until proven innocent, right?
No one said you're guilty of anything yet.
That is exactly what you just said. You just said an off-duty officer said I was brandishing my weapon.
Okay.
When I haven't brandished my weapon at all. I'm here with my nephews, letting them skate.
Okay.
I came to sit in the car to smoke a cigarette, and all of a sudden you're here treating me like I've committed a crime.
I'm talking to you normally.
You're running my tag to identify me when I have not committed a crime. And that's under law. Unless y'all suspect me of committing a crime, I don't have to identify. But because I refuse to identify, y'all run my tag and treat me like I'm an asshole.
Did you call 210 to come up?
That's cool. Can I get your name and badge number?
Bill, 216.
216, can I get your name and badge number? All right. See, now she was actually nice and polite dealing with me, but then you have to show up thinking... Yeah, no, you just want to show up and kind of be a prick, man. I mean, there ain't no call for that. I would have been completely respectful if you would have been respectful to me. You want to be intimidating. This is exactly intimidation tactics.
I'm not being intimidated.
All right, bub, whatever. Did y'all get what you need? Are we done here? Am I free to go?
You're not.
What am I detained for? What crime do you suspect me of committing?
Brandishing your weapon.
Brandishing my weapon?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's going to be on the report then, right? The off-duty officer that said it, it's going to be on the report?
Yeah, he called me.
Because if it's not on the report, you do understand this is illegal detainment, right? Okay. I also have witnesses, so.
That's fine.
All right.
Clear. If he is having to come over here to identify this man.
If you didn't do it, I don't see what the big deal about letting us know who you are.
Because I haven't committed a crime, so why would I want my name on a report?
Apparently, he's been showing off his weapon.
Yeah, you lying son of a bitch. Bam! Yeah! Illegal detainment.
Lifting his shirt up, whatever, showing it off or something like that.
My shirt is short. I have not. That's illegal detainment right here, bub. Yeah, you're going to be hearing from my lawyer. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Boy, I hope the city of Ada's got some money.
For what?
Illegal detainment.
Okay.
He just straight up said it was visible. I was not brandishing it.
What is that?
We don't know. I don't even know. Are you a felon or anything like that?
Do you suspect me of being a felon?
I don't know.
Do you suspect I am?
I'm asking.
You know what? I plead the fifth. Under the fifth.
Okay. Good deal.
I haven't committed a crime. Your officer right here tried to lie and say I brandished my weapon when I never did.
No, here's the thing. We got a call from an off-duty officer that said that
my weapon was showing underneath my shirt. He tried to say I brandished my weapon and that's why I was being detained.
Well, that's not what he told me.
I have not committed a crime, therefore this detainment is completely illegal and I would like to be on my way, sir.
Yeah, can you listen to me for just a second?
I would rather not. I haven't committed a crime, therefore I don't need any directives.
Then why'd you ask me to come over here?
I did not, sir.
You said he did.
Huh?
You said he did.
I did not ask you to come over here.
Okay. So
If there's been no crime
I'm
committed,
just
so I'd
telling you.
just like to be on my way, sir.
I understand that. We're getting to that point. So we were called by an off-duty officer that stated what he said.
He has already said that my weapon was
So
showing
we
underneath
come
my
over
shirt.
here-
It
we
was
come
called
over
in.
here to make sure that that's what was going
Yes,
on.
sir. She came and checked on me. I explained everything to her. Therefore, all this should have been done. The problem being, they asked me to identify myself. I told them I have not committed a crime. I do not need to ID, so therefore they have taken it to this level.
That I'm having is that felons walk around with guns all the time and hold on to it.
I don't need the cops explaining, ma'am. I'm not trying to be rude, but I have not committed a crime.
Okay, listen.
I don't know who
Are
you
you
are.
skating at the skate park?
My nephews are here.
Okay. Well, so you can carry under constitutional.
Yes, sir, I know.
We all know that. You can carry it concealed. You can carry it unconcealed. So what I'm going to say is just make sure you're not showing kids or doing anything like that.
I haven't even
As long
pulled
as
my
you're
weapon
carrying-
out, sir.
As long as you're carrying.
My
no-
shirt's
no
just
one-
a little bit short and my pants right a little bit loose. They
That
came
happens.
out from under my shirt.
We had the same problem too sometimes. So.
Exactly. So
Anyway.
therefore it shouldn't have been taken to this level is my only problem. And him saying that I brandished my weapon was complete bullshit and you really need to talk to him. Ma'am, it came on the radio. I even have it on film
That was
that
him.
says that my weapon showed under my shirt. It did not say I brandished.
Okay. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. Walk of shame.
Well, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed this video. And please remember and head over to Blaze Media's YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.